she had a decent sleep. Not too bad.
We survived! Hey!
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, mine looks quite nice. What did you get? Yum, you naughty. So we made it. Well,
We haven't made it.
We haven't made it. We are, where are we? We are
Driving down the Pacific Coast Highway, West Coast of America. We are actually next to
On your left we have the sea.
Pacific Coast.
Morning. Hey. Coming for the day?
Yes.
You been here before?
No.
We have $10 to park.
Okay.
You gonna do the loop?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you park and get settled and come on up? I'd be happy to show it to you on the map.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Day 5.
Is it 5?
It's 5.
Is it? Oh, it's going quick. We're going for a hike. About
Round.
8-mile loop. So the hike's going well. Before we started, the lovely guy at the state park kind of showed us where to go and everything, and he did warn us what Poison Oak looked like because we didn't know. For anyone who, it's like all of this and everything around is Poison Oak. So everywhere we're going, we're just literally narrow penciling, like Jen's doing right now, just to not be kind of touching any Poison Oak. Neither of us really want to deal with that. Glorious, the end, as always, and amazing views along the coastal walk. So we're a good 8-mile hike. So where we said we had made it to the top is somewhere down there. Clearly we haven't made it to the top, have we? No, a lot more.
We did it! Woo!
We did it. We've been driving probably about 4 hours now down to Santa Barbara. We're just north of Santa Barbara now, and we've made it to a campsite. The first campsite we've actually made it to, one on time by a minute, and to one that looks like we're actually going to be able to camp in it. Like, actually camp. We'd have to sleep in the car. It's gonna be lovely. Jen is currently reading the rules, and I'm hoping she doesn't come back and tell me we can't camp here. So baby, what's happening?
I don't know. I feel like there should be someone here, 'cause this is between 10 and 6. There's like general opera hours. Try and call again.
Can try.
We have finally found a place!
We actually did it. We're allowed to camp. We've actually managed to find a
I
camping
can't believe.
place. I never thought it would happen here.
Got a little permit and everything.
Yeah.
Out.
Let's park the yacht.
I know. Into our camping ground. Camping ground 6.
So here we go. First time doing the tent. That's looking more like a tent. This is never going back in the case. Congratulations.
Showering technique.
Squirt.